Freelance work involves doing specific tasks for clients without committing to full-time employment. Freelancers often take on multiple projects simultaneously with different clients. Freelancing can be a rewarding career path, but it can also be overwhelming for beginners. Here are some steps to consider when becoming a freelancer. Define your service and offering. Find your target audience. Develop a pricing structure. Create your portfolio. Write a great proposal. Create a relationship with your client. Continue developing your skills. Some in-demand freelance skills for 2024 include copy/content writing, graphic design, social media management, digital marketing, coding, UI/UX, data entry/management, SEO. Here are some tips for freelance writing. Choose your freelance writing specialty. Set up a website or blog. Write great sample work. Pitch yourself everywhere. Check writing job boards. Collect testimonials from your clients. Fiverr is a platform that connects freelancers with business owners looking for services in various digital projects. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to FEHM Technology.